Here is my circuit. I've got the joystick wired up to there, going to the board. I've got my fan right there, and I have my H-bridge right there, which controls the flow of current. So as you can see, if I move the joystick that way, it goes that way. If I move it that way, it goes that way. So it does both directions. Can spin it around and it goes a little crazy. And then if I click that, now it's off. Doesn't work at all. Now it's on. Now it's off. That's my thing. If I can find my mouse. Here's my code. And here's me.